Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I'm going to talk about customer service. And you don't think about that in terms of PR and media, but if you're providing great customer service and all of your reviews and your comments in your blog posts talk about how amazing you are, imagine how you're going to check out when the media checks you out. Versus if you don't provide good customer service and you have bad reviews and things out there. Who do you think the media is going to want to work with? Somebody that their customers love or somebody who has a lot of issues, because that could be a backlash on the media. So that's this week's PR tip. Always think positive customer service. And if you like this tip and all the other ones that you've seen over the last few years, please join our free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge. It's 10 minutes a day, and I will help you get massive visibility for your business. So I hope to see you in the group, and I can't wait to see you in the media.